I said we'd be focusing in on the elections that would take place in Mozambique. We will do that a little bit later. But first, let's turn our attention to the Oscar Pistorius trial from yesterday. We've got our reporter, Manqoba Mchunu, who is at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria for day 4 of sentencing procedures in the trial. River Steenkamp's cousin, Kim Martin, will continue testifying today. What an emotional testimony yesterday. I think when people perhaps maybe forgot to think about the other side of the story, everybody focusing in on Oscar Pistorius. Yesterday, we were again reminded of the devastation that this murder has caused to the Steenkamp family. Manqoba, you were in court yesterday. I'm sure you can tell us a little bit more of what the mood was like there. Morning to you.
Morning, Leanne. Certainly, Leanne, we saw emotions run high at the North Gauteng High Court as River Steenkamp's cousin, Kim Martin, took the stand, really detailing the trauma and the pain that the family has suffered as a result of Oscar Pistorius' actions on the 14th of February last year. Now, that's the day that Pistorius fired 4 shots through the bathroom door, killing their daughter, River Steenkamp. Now, we really saw Kim coming here and really expressing the pain and really how this has affected the day that she learned of her cousin's death, how that changed her life. She said that she heard this on radio and then she had later confirmed this with the family, and this has really caused devastation in that family and really anguish for the pain that they have suffered. Now, what we have also heard is that June Steenkamp as well as Barry Steenkamp have also not been handling this very well. Kim Martin's alluding to the fact that they've even suffered dearly in terms of their health as a result of this killing by Oscar Pistorius. And now what they're really hoping as a family is that they will convince this court that Oscar Pistorius really deserves the harshest of sentences. This is what it's all about. This is aggravation of sentencing, and what it means is that really these are arguments to try and persuade Judge Thokozile Masipa that Oscar Pistorius deserves to get a harsh sentence for his actions, and what they are hoping for is a prison sentence for the Paralympian. Now, Kim Martin detailed a lot of things yesterday in court. Right now, we'll take a listen to what she had to say in court regarding their pain.
And we arrived at my mother's house, and I could see the minute we arrived, the doors open, my mother was hysterical. And then I knew, that's it, it's true. We were all like, why, why Riva? I'd say it's ruined our whole family. It's ruined Uncle Barry and Auntie June. Riva was everything to them. They absolutely adored her. They were so proud of her, what she had accomplished. And she looked after them so well, not just financially.
This incident, did it affect the health of Barry and June?
Yes, I'd say so. Uncle Barry's health has suffered quite a bit. He wasn't very well to begin with, and he's had a couple of strokes because of it.
Now, certainly the pain clearly evident there on Kim Martin's voice as she really told the court of how this day has changed their lives. Now, for the first time, Leanne, we saw the Steenkamp family also breaking down in court. We've always seen them keeping a brave face here in court during proceedings, but for the first time yesterday, we really saw June Steenkamp breaking down in court as well as her husband, Barry Steenkamp, also sobbing uncontrollably, really displaying that pain that this has caused to them. And now what we are expecting today is for that somber mood to continue here at the North Gauteng High Court as Kim Martin takes the stand for the second day in aggravation of sentence. We know that already Gerinel, who is the state prosecutor in this matter, has already indicated that there's only just one more factor that he has to address with Kim Martin. After that, we're expecting the defense to also then have an opportunity to cross-examine Martin on this incident. They've also indicated that they won't be long. They're only just going to highlight 2 points or issues with Kim Martin.
Right, well, another day of high drama expected in that courtroom today, so we'll be watching that. We'll cross again to the North Gauteng High Court, but a very, very emotional day, whether you were listening to it on radio or watching some of the television coverage. I'm sure a lot of people shedding a tear because that was truly emotional, and you really got to feel what that family feels, not felt, but feels at this present time, because that is, it's a devastating, devastating story.